Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about memo and the types of memo. But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel for the latest videos about English and other interesting subject. Memo. It is also known as memorandum or reminder. It is used for internal communication regarding procedures or official business within an organization. And it is a short message sent from one person to another in the same organization. You might need to inform staff of upcoming events or broadcast internal changes. It is normally used for communicating policies, procedures, or related official business within an organization. It is more informal in tone and organization than a letter. Means memo is more informal than letter. Memos are generally used to provide or ask for information, announce, uh, announce a new policy, update on personal transfers, or any other internal issues. So it was a short definition of memo. And if we talk about its types of memo, the first one is information memo. Information memo is used to deliver or request information or assistance. And the second one is problem solving memo. It suggests a specific action to improve a situation. Means there is if there is any problem, so suggestions are given, so that can be solved by problem. That is problem solving memo. And the third one is persuasion memo. Means it is used to encourage the reader to undertake an action he or she does not have to take. Means it is used for encouragement. And the fourth one, internal memo proposal. It is used to convey suggestions to senior management. And the fifth one, suggestive memo. Suggestive memo is a memo in which there is suggestion. For example, it's like a manager calls his employees for what? For taking their suggestion about any event which is being organized or which will be organized by manager. So a suggestions will be taken from his or her employees. And the last one, request memo. Request memo is a memo in which there is request, in which request is done. That is called what? That is request memo. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.